saw a 799 head just laying there. Got a hole now to see if it was right and if it fits. Yeah, it's looking kind of hard to work. Fresh build. Some old turbo stuff I got. Alright, so blacks can actually be for 4th gen. It's an updated version of this one. Gonna try it out again. Right, new sensors put in, and now it's green. 6 is green. That yellow and blue isn't related to it.
Green is good.
Okay, there we go. Oh, it's flickering around blue, but that's not for the crank sensor. All right, now it's acting right. That yellow, it turns green when the car is running. Well, the Terminator keeps showing mixed codes. Shows all green, and it goes to blue and red for the crank and the cam sensors. So just for ease of mind, I'll get this tested, make sure this is functioning properly. So till then, we'll work around and get some other things done. Drive shaft extracted.
The pipe cutter, damn.
When
it's too late now.
They call that an L96. Hey!
And I just got my bottle filled. Looks like a drive shaft to me.
The drive shaft. Policeman. Well, I'm wearing the uniform. Ew, there's no turbo in here.
Where's the turbo?
10mm all these bolts now. Solid. Reconfiguring the charge pipe routing a little. So now it won't come straight out and drop down. Nice little brake setup though, for real.